Hello friends, welcome back to Tuesday. I hope you guys don't mind, but I really wanted to see what the rest of these tarot cards look like. And I still have some black resin from Tuesday's video, Thursday's video. I also have, this is called Distress Stickles. It's just the glitter from Ranger. And so I think I'm going to put some of this into the black and then pour it in and see how that looks. So, just going to keep you guys on screen for that. Let's see. Okay, so let's see how this looks so far. We will swirl that in. Hopefully it doesn't get, it's getting a little lost in the black. Okay, maybe we need to add a whole lot more. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it's starting to come through a little bit. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and set up our second camera so we can get that satisfying pour footage that I know you guys all want. Okay, here we go. I'm not filling these all the way to the top just yet. I want to make sure that I have enough resin to do all of them. Okay, let's borrow a little bit from this one for this one. Let's just get those spread out to the corners. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and let these cure, and then we will be back to unmold. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to do white acrylic for these as well as the ones that I did for Thursday. So, stay tuned. Alright friends, these are cured enough to handle, and just like on Thursday's video, I will be using white acrylic paint for the fronts, but I figured out how to actually do it and do it right. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and unmold these puppies. Man, my desk is dirty. Ugh. Okay. Now, just like in Thursday's video, I used Dr. Crafty, so these are still pretty bendy. Which is totally fine, because as long as I cure them the rest of the way on something flat, then they will cure hard and flat. All right. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So I was really worried that the sparkle would not come out in these. But as you can see, they are very sparkly. Sparkle, sparkle. I almost don't even need to add paint to these because, I mean, you can see the design very clearly. So now I'm wondering what to do. Should I add paint or should I leave it? Let's paint one, see what we think, and then go from there. If I don't like it, I can always wipe it off vigorously. Okay, so let's do this one. And the trick that I figured out last time was you put the paint on there and then immediately go in with a dry paper towel and just kind of rub in circles, and that will clear away most of the excess paint. And then gently with a baby wipe or a wet paper towel, just gently go over the surface so that it gets rid of, you know, like the smoky haze that paint will leave. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. I guess I could have been doing that and explaining at the same time, but you know how some people can't walk and chew bubble gum at the same time? Well, Megan's brain doesn't function very well, so, you know, sometimes I can't work and talk at the same time, but we shall see how this goes. The other ones, by the way, turned out so pretty. If you guys have not seen that video, definitely go back and look at it, because, woo, buddy. Especially the glamour shots at the end. Okay. Okay. My chair is making a very annoying clicking sound as I'm rubbing. Do you see how much better that's working than the first time that I tried it? Yes, an old dog can learn new tricks. And it's not taking the paint off of where I want the paint to be. And I'm not going in vigorously, you know, like I'm not rubbing extremely hard right now. I'm being nice and gentle with it. Get off that excess paint. Okay. And that's what she looks like. Isn't that pretty, guys? Ooh, I still don't know which one I like more. I may have to go ask my housemate what she thinks. So, I guess stick around for the glamour shots to figure out which way I decide to go. I'm leaning more towards the white, but that gray is really pretty. So, I don't know. You guys let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Stick around for those glamour shots. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this, please stick around by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Time, the East Coast of the United States, whichever you want to say. Also, if you could do me a big favor and hit that thumbs up button, that would mean so much to me. I really appreciate it. And I said this in the last video, but in case you missed it, if you are looking for any of the molds that I use in my videos or the resin, I do have Amazon affiliated links in the description for what I use in those particular videos. So, that being said, have a great day, guys, and take care.